Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your camera and Meet are ready. Join a meeting or open the preview window and grant camera permissions. This lets filters access the feed. Once done, check Settings right arrow video and confirm the correct camera and resolution to avoid lag. If you use an extension, enable it now and pin it to the toolbar so it's available during the call. Make sure other apps aren't using the camera, because only one process can access it at a time. Next, open the Filters or Effects menu in Meet's built-in effects or your extension, and pick a category like Background, Color, or Fun Overlays. You should preview each option in the video tile and tweak intensity sliders so the effect looks natural. Extreme settings can create artifacts and GPU strain. Once you find a look, lock the filter and test motion by moving your head to ensure tracking stays aligned. If lighting changes, revisit brightness or wrap up by confirming your chosen filter remains active and that participants see you correctly. Ask for quick feedback. When presenting or recording, make sure CPU load is acceptable. If performance drops, reduce resolution to 720p or disable heavy effects. If a filter stops working, restart the browser or rejoin the meeting, clear the browser cache, and reselect the camera in Settings. As a final tip, update your browser and the filter extension. Many issues resolve with the latest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.